This is the R1 Robot Vacuum by Yonnder. I was sent this by them to review. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you what's inside, and how to set it up. It came nice and securely packaged, and I was able to easily slide everything out of the box. It included a user manual and quick start guide, batteries for the remote control, an extra HEPA filter, and a cleaning brush, the power adapter, cable ties to clear any cords on the floor, the R1 Robot Vacuum, of course, the charging dock, 4 side brushes, and the remote control. I removed all the protective film from the vacuum and the dock and attached the side brushes to the bottom. Then turned on the power by pressing the button on the side to the on position. Next, I plugged the power adapter into the charging dock and found a permanent spot for it. I placed it against the wall and plugged it in. The light on the charging dock will be green when it has power. It's recommended to place it on a bare floor or thin carpet in an area with good Wi-Fi, and make sure there's nothing within 3 feet of it on either side and nothing within 5 feet in front of it. Make sure the power button is in the on position and align the vacuum with the front side against the dock. When the charging begins, it will beep and the dock light will turn off, and let it charge for 6 hours before its first use. While it was charging, I connected the vacuum to the Smart Life app. I actually already have this app, so I simply logged in. You want to make sure the Bluetooth is on and the power switch is on. To prep it for Wi-Fi, press and hold the power and home button for 3 seconds until the vacuum beeps and the green light blinks. I connected my Wi-Fi and the vacuum automatically popped up, but you can also go to add devices so the app can discover it, or you can go to small home appliances and select robot vacuum BLE plus Wi-Fi. I pressed add and it added the vacuum right away, then pressed done. The app is so easy to use and I love all the options it provides, like being able to set up a schedule for cleaning, and you can even do this when you're away from your home. The auto mode will have the vacuum clean the entire room until the battery runs out. Edge cleaning mode will clean along the edges and corners of the room, and spot cleaning mode will concentrate on a specific area that needs extra cleaning in a spiral motion. You can also manually clean using the app, or if you don't want to use the app, you can use the remote. And you can always press the power button to start cleaning and the home button to send the vacuum back to the charging station. This robot vacuum has a tangle-free suction port design, so you don't have to worry about untangling brush rollers, which is great for pet owners like me, as it works really well at cleaning up my cat's hair and the litter that she kicks out of her litter box. This vacuum is ideal for low carpet and hard floors. As you can see, it smoothly glides across hard floors and carpet, and because its height is under 3 inches, it's perfect for hard to reach areas like under beds and couches. The battery has an extra long runtime of 140 minutes, which makes it perfect for somebody who has a large household or has a lot of space that needs to be vacuumed. Another really cool thing about this robot vacuum is that when the battery is low at 10%, it will automatically return to the dock to recharge. It has 3 sets of cliff sensors on the front to detect and avoid bumping into objects, and it also detects stairs and platform edges to prevent it from falling, which is great because I have stairs and I love that I don't have to worry about it falling. Another awesome feature is that you can hook it up to your Amazon Alexa. I was able to easily add it to the devices on my Alexa app, and now all I have to do to turn on the vacuum is say, "Alexa, turn on R1, and the vacuum turns on right away and starts cleaning. When it's finished cleaning, lift the lower cover and take out the dustbin. Side note, I love that the dustbin is extra large, so you don't have to worry about emptying it while it's in the middle of cleaning. Open it up and pull out the primary filter. Then empty the dust and debris into the trash. Pull out and clean the HEPA filter and sponge. I used the provided cleaning brush to do this. Then put all the filters back into place and put the dustbin back in the vacuum. You also want to make sure you remove and clean the side brushes, and clean and remove any hair from the front wheel. Clean all 3 of the anti-drop sensors, the charging contact on the bottom of the vacuum, and the ones on the charging dock. Make sure the suction port is clean and clear, and also clean the sensor windows. This Yonnder R1 robot vacuum has really exceeded my expectations. It's so easy to use. I love that it has app control and can fit in small areas, and it also keeps my floors super clean. If you've been looking for a great quality and easy to use robot vacuum, I highly recommend this one.